Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to charge your earbuds EARFUN Air Pro 4 using your phone. All you need to have for this is just USB-C to USB-C cable. But if your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. Now connect USB-C cable to your phone. And then, at the back side of the charging case, we have USB-C port, so connect USB-C cable right at this port, and in the front side of the charging case, we have a LED light. And we can see it, so it means that it's charging. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!